Ever since its public launch late last year, the conversational AI has proved its mettle at everything from writing code and poetry to acing exams and even acting as a human. Now, the easiest way to bring ChatGPT to your WhatsApp chat is through online bots, of which there are at least half a dozen out there. Another option is using a keyboard app with its own conversational AI tool. No matter which approach you take, here's how you can add ChatGPT to WhatsApp. 2 phones on a table next to each other. One is showing the WhatsApp logo, and the other is running the WhatsApp application. Let's start with the easier route first, which relies on conversational bots in your WhatsApp chat. The most popular options out there are Whtsapp, Buddy GPT, Roger DaVinci, Schmooze AI, Mobile GPT, and Whatsapp. The process is fairly simple. You just have to visit the dedicated bot, hit the start button that calls to WhatsApp's API, and you will land on the chat interface in the messaging app. Here's one example with step-by-step illustrations. Step 1. On your phone, open a web browser app and go to the Schmooze AI website. Step 2. On the landing page, tap the green button that says Starting. Step 3. Once you tap that button, a window will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Continue to Chat button in that window. Step 4. As soon as you tap that button, the WhatsApp application will open, with Schmooze AI written at the top. Step 5. Now, all you need to do is type a query and hit the send button, just as you would chat with a real person, and the ChatGPT bot will respond accordingly. Step 6. In addition to getting text-based responses like writing a rap song about oranges or answering your nuclear physics queries, you can also use it to generate images. Just add the word image before your text prompt, and you can get some fantastic images with a 1024 by 1024 resolution. However, do keep in mind that these ChatGPT bots for WhatsApp offer a very limited number of prompts for free. After all, the APIs being offered by ChatGPT creator OpenAI don't come for free. You will have to purchase a premium option after a few queries, and that fee could be around $10 per month, depending on the bot. Bots sound like a no-frills, no-fuss way of bringing ChatGPT smarts to WhatsApp. But there's an alternative way that's almost as easy. That solution is ChatGPT integrated keyboard apps. Digital Trends mobile editor Joe Maring tested one such app called Paragraph AI extensively, and so have I. All you need to do is install the app and select it as the preferred keyboard on your phone, and you're good to go. Paragraph AI is based on GPT-3, while ChatGPT has advanced to the GPT-4 language model. However, the keyboard app is still good enough to get all of your answers. In fact, it offers a handful of extras compared to ChatGPT bots for WhatsApp. Let's start with the biggest difference. With WhatsApp bots like Schmooze AI, you're just talking with ChatGPT. You can't deploy it for handling conversations with other people on WhatsApp.